Today I'm taking a look at Victorian Plumbing. This is a bathroom fittings, exclusively bathroom fittings business that started in a very, very small way up in the Liverpool area. So doing virtually everything you're going to ever need for a bathroom, and supplying quite a lot of other manufacturers, etc., and not actually making their own product, I see. But it's a very extensive product range. Good. Okay. Oh, there's some big brands there. There we go. I've got a Myra shampoo myself. There we are. So this started with very, very humble beginnings. They found this little article from the Manchester Evening News. Labourer's son hits £1 billion jackpot after founding Victorian Plumbing in a garden shed. So he started the business in his parents' shed and took on his brother as probably his best member of staff, who used to then work in a supermarket in the evenings because he couldn't afford to pay him in the very early days. It says on here, now employing 500 staff across 7 locations, including Manchester. And that's taken 20 years as a business to grow. He was eBay's first millionaire at 30, founding First to Save, a mobile phone accessories business. And so from very humble beginnings, this has grown into quite a substantial business over the last 20 years. I think in the sound of it, he's been a hard worker from the age of 10 and has done extremely well. So let's have a look at the figures and see what's going on. This has been a really, really encouraging one to look through. For the turnover, gross profit and net profit, we're seeing a lovely growth year on year. Good growth in the turnover, growth in the gross profit, and the net profit as well has remained stable. Okay, dropped a bit last year for obvious reasons. Assets versus liabilities, all looking very healthy. Debt to equity ratio pretty good there. So the debt's been growing, but I think a lot of businesses have dropped back a little bit in the last year. So just maybe needs to keep that under control going forward. Free cash flow, again, looking very healthy. 2021 down for obvious little reasons, but only slightly down, which is very, very reassuring. And the capital expenditure has been growing, and that's really just a sign of the business continuing to expand. So, what's going on the share price? We'll nip over to SharePad and let's have a look and see where we're at. So the company floated on the alternative market in June 2021. Started off at over 300 pence a share, and since then has just seen the numbers slide and slide and slide. And I'm really struggling to find any reason why that figure's down to where we are today at just over 80 pence a share. I have invested into Victorian Plumbing because I think the price is extremely low, because we're looking there at a PE ratio of 9, so it does appear to be extremely undervalued. Let's have a look at Simply Wall Street, because they're showing that their fair valuation on their metric is coming out at £1.29 a share, as opposed to the current 84 pence. So it's about 35% undervalued on the Simply Wall Street's calculations. I'm failing to find any reasons why the figure is saying as low as it is. So is this possibly a bargain on sale? Look forward to seeing your comments in the comment section below. See what you think. And do you think this is really going to be a good long-term business to continue with?